All right, I'm going to show you how to turn off Google Activity Tracking on your Android phone. First, go to Settings, and then scroll down to Google Services. Sometimes on some phones, this is just labeled Google. Also, I'll show you where to find this on Pixel and Motorola phones in a minute. From here, tap your account at the very top and choose Manage your Google account. Then, scroll down to Data and Privacy, and here you'll want to look at the Personalization and Activity sections first. Now, when it comes to Google, there's a lot that falls under activity tracking. This isn't a single toggle, it's a whole collection of categories. So you get to choose how much or how little you want to turn off, depending on your comfort level. For example, personalized recommendations in search services. You could turn that off. That's one form of tracking. Google Play personalization is another. This is where Google figures out what you like and serves content based on that. Web and app activity is another big one. And for each of these categories, you can go into them and disable them if it's something you'd rather have disabled. Some of these will also offer to delete your existing activity history at the same time you turn off future tracking. So it's a good opportunity to review what's already been tracked and perhaps delete past activity. Like I said, there's a ton of separate toggles you'll need to look at. And in a way, it's confusing how it's broken down to so many separate menus. Like, I get it. They want to give you an option to disable some of them while keeping others enabled. But I think the most user-friendly option would be to include one master-level toggle that would allow you to disable all activity tracking all at once. I'm sure you guys agree with me. If I go back to the previous menu and look under My Activity, similarly, there's different categories you can toggle on or off individually. A big one here that most people usually want turned off is the timeline. It's that sort of creepy feature where Google will track and save all the different locations you've been to, which is supposedly designed to help with routing and navigation, but I think most people would prefer their phone to not track their physical location. Once I'm back in the My Google Activity menu, I can actually scroll down and view a chronological activity log for everything I've done across my Google apps while activity tracking was still enabled. If you look at the timeline, you can delete either everything or just the last day, hour, or a custom time range. In the Data and Privacy menu, Data Sharing, you'll find third-party apps and services, and you might see some apps here you're currently sharing data with. Some of these are simply tied to saved passwords through Google Password Manager, so seeing an app listed here doesn't necessarily mean you're sharing a ton of personal data with that app. Mine, for example, seem to be listed here mostly because they're allowed to remember my login passwords through Google Password Manager. But you can remove any of these apps if you'd like. Other settings you'll find include Google Fit Privacy, where you can delete or export fitness data if you use that. Basically, you just go down the list and turn off or remove whatever you personally don't want tracked. If you're using something like a Google Pixel, Motorola, or another stock Android phone, the way you access this menu is a little different. Go to Settings first, scroll down to Accounts and Backup, then Manage Accounts. Once you're there, tap your Google account, then Google account again. And now you're in that same menu where you can go to Data and Privacy and repeat all the same steps I just walked through. And that is how you turn off Google Activity Tracking on your Android phone. Go ahead and click that like button if this video helped, and subscribe for more easy guides like this one. Thanks all.